I just got this 2002 F-150 a couple days ago. The cup holder pushed in all the way, would not come out. Got to have my cup holder. So you can take this cup holder, and when you pull it all the way out, take this little clip right here on each side and push it down, and it will release it so you can pull it out. Well, come to find out, this spring that keeps it pushed out was broke off. It goes right there. So we're going to drill a couple holes and screw it back together and see how it goes. Okay, we got that spring back on. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can set this phone where we can look at it. Alright, this is the light bulb right here. All you got to do is twist it to get it out. I hope y'all can see this. It's kind of hard to do. And hold the camera with so y'all can see it. Alright. Now, to put this back in, there's a track right there. Right there. And right there on each side. This groove goes back in. Just like so on both sides. And it'll slide back in. Slide it right past those clips. And there you go. We have fixed it. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe, and I'll try to get you some more videos on how to fix things and do things. Thank you.